This man woke up to find a bear cub drowning in his pool skimmer. Desperate, he pulled it out and immediately started CPR. The mother bear watched from just feet away, surprisingly calm. Suddenly, water sprayed out, and the cub gasped for air. He was back. Incredibly, the man's black hat began cleaning the wet cub, and the mother bear didn't mind at all. When they finally returned to the woods, the mother looked back, offering a silent thank you. Weeks later, the cat slipped into the water and began to sink. Out of nowhere, the cub burst through the bushes and dove in to save his friend. Years passed, and the bear returned, now fully grown with a cub of his own. He walked right up to the man and licked his face, never forgetting the life that was saved.